Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Bob DeMaria with another episode of Ask Dr. Bob. Some really very nice new questions. Dr. Bob, I followed your steps exactly for the liver detox with the olive oil. My skin has been blotchy for a few days since doing the steps. Hey, you know what? The liver has a lot to do with detoxification, as you know. Give your body a little bit of time to let it go through its normal cleansing. I think that's going to be really good. We also utilize a product that has taurine in it. Taurine helps thin the bile. And of course, the ever famous Dr. Bob's ABCs, a half red apple every day, beet fiber, a medium carrot, and add radishes. Apples help thin bile. Dr. Bob, greetings. I'm reaching out to you because I'm having issues with my blood pressure, and before you take any blood pressure meds, you want to know what to do. Well, in our practice, there's like 3 or 4 different types of magnesium that we use. The one that we probably get the very most consistent results is magnesium chloride. It is a liquid. It has a harsh taste. We also use magnesium orotate. So you could contact my assistant. We'd be happy to ship it out. Try it, take your blood pressure. It'll make a big difference for you. And eat greens. Greens are really good, a great source of magnesium. Dear Dr. Bob, is there a safe way to detoxify the liver and restore weak adrenal glands while nursing? Very good question. And I have to congratulate you for asking that question, because having a baby inside of you places a demand on your liver. So, Dr. Bob's ABCs, a half a red apple every day, beet fiber, that's a beet, by the way, and a medium carrot, and of course a radish. That'll help the liver out. Now, when it comes to the adrenal glands, you know, you're getting up on all hours of the night because you're breastfeeding. You want to be in bed by a good hour. 10 o'clock would be a nice hour to get to be in bed because you know you're going to wake up to nurse the baby. You cannot have sugar. I would not do sugar. I would not do fruit. And I had somebody the other day at my Florida practice ask me, why? What about honey? Honey is 95% sugar. I would avoid honey. Dr. Bob, I have gallstones and blood in the urine now for over a month. The doctors haven't given you any treatment yet, and you want to know what to do. There's something that we use called phosphatidylcholine. Phosphatidylcholine, think of it as scrubbing bubbles. Of course you want to do the ever famous Dr. Bob's ABCs, a half a red apple every day, beet fiber, radish, phosphatidylcholine, and then that's going to be for your gallbladder and your liver. Now for the urinary infection, we also use a product called peppermint leaf. Peppermint leaf will also help cleanse the system without placing a major demand on your body. We have other ways that we can help that, but I'm trying to give you something very natural. Dr. Bob, how do you know if you have candida and if it's entered your bloodstream? Well, we have access to a microscope, so if you have candida and you want to make a trip to Ohio or to Naples, Florida, we can have an assessment done to look at your blood to see if there's yeast in it. On the other hand, a very simple test that I speak about in many of my books is the saliva test. The saliva test is when you sputum, in other words, when you spit in a cold glass of water first thing in the morning. The sputum should float. If the sputum slowly sinks, that means a potential you could have a yeast issue. Pretty interesting test, isn't it? Dr. Bob, why calcium for the sun? So, I joke about this to myself sometimes when I'm in Florida and I see people have suntan lotion on their lips because they don't want to get cold sore. You could schlep suntan lotion on your lips all day long. Here's what happens. The sunshine converts the cholesterol in your skin, to vitamin D. Vitamin D takes the calcium from your intestine and puts it in your blood. When you're in the sun is going to literally cannibalize the calcium that's inside of your body. That's why when people come back from Florida, you'll see them with cold sores or poison ivy or leg cramps, is because the sun has literally cannibalized the calcium, but I just backdoored it because the sunshine converts cholesterol to vitamin D. The vitamin D causes calcium to be absorbed. It's amazing. So you can come and visit me in Westlake, Ohio, and or in Naples, Florida. This is Dr. Bob DeMaria.